Rangemaster TXIQ8 is an 8-channel remote control which is used for wireless control of traps in tandem with wireless Rangemaster trap receivers and for wireless control of X2 control unit. To make the remote control compatible with the receiver, devices must be set to the same channel. To set the address, use a dip switch placed on the board inside the enclosure. First open the enclosure. Unscrew all 4 screws placed on the back side of the enclosure. Here is the dip switch we need. To set the layout address, use first 5 switches. To set the address, use the address table. First column of the table shows the layout channel from 0 to 31, and in the next column there are positions of 5 switches, how they should be set up. The link to the table can be found in the description for this video. You can also find it in the manual for the device. For example, we need to set the remote control to layout 1. For that, we can use channel 1. We find in the first column channel 1, and we see that for this address, the first switch must be in on position. In the same way, we can set layout address from 1.1 to 8.4 in case you want to use this type of layout name. Please be careful when setting the layout address. All layouts must be set to different channels. Otherwise, target from the neighboring layouts can be released as well. If the remote control is used with a Rangemaster X2 or Rangemaster X3 ProNet sequencer, the sequencer compatible mode must be activated. To activate this mode, turn the 8th switch to the on position. In case the battery is discharged, open the enclosure and replace the batteries with the new ones. Use 2 CR2032 batteries for the remote control. In order to make sure that the contact of the batteries is good, every time when changing batteries, please push the connecting parts of the battery holder inside. Also, please take care about the polarity when inserting the batteries. To check battery voltage, please use voltmeter. Check the battery voltage level like this. Here we have 6 volts. When it is below 4, please change the batteries.